Did you know that in 2024, people are making thousands of dollars every month just by using AI tools? Yep, it's true. AI isn't just for tech nerds anymore, it's become a goldmine for anyone looking to boost their income. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of AI and how you can use it to generate wealth. With its popularity skyrocketing, AI has opened up a whole new realm of possibilities for making money online. Whether you're a student, a side hustler, or just someone looking to improve your financial situation, there's something in here for you. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the challenges many of you face when trying to make money online. Traditional methods like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or even freelance gigs can be super competitive and often leave you feeling frustrated. You put in the time and effort, but the results just don't seem to match up. You might be thinking, what's the secret? Why isn't this working for me? It's no wonder many people give up before they even get started. But here's the good news, AI can change all that. Exploration/development. So, how can AI help you earn money? Let's break it down. First up, we've got AI content creation tools like ChatGPT. You can use these to create blog posts, social media content, and even ebooks without spending hours on writing. Just imagine how much time you'll save. Next, there are AI-powered market research tools that help you identify trends and gaps in the market, allowing you to create products or services that people actually want. And don't forget about AI in trading. Platforms like eToro use algorithms to predict stock movements, helping you make informed investment decisions. There are tons of real-life success stories out there too, people just like you who've turned their AI knowledge into a full-time income. Climax/key moment. Now, here's the big secret that can really transform your financial situation, leveraging AI for passive income streams. Yep, you heard that right. Imagine setting up an AI-driven online business that works for you while you sleep. Whether it's an automated dropshipping store or a subscription-based service powered by AI chatbots, the possibilities are endless. This is where the magic happens. You'll not only save time but also create a source of income that can grow exponentially. This is the moment you want to take action, folks. Conclusion/summary. To wrap it all up, AI is truly a game changer in personal finance. By harnessing these tools and strategies, you can overcome the traditional hurdles of making money online. Remember, the future is not just about working harder but working smarter with the help of AI. Call to action, CTA. So, what do you think? Are you ready to dive into the world of AI money making? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for more advanced strategies, don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll reveal even more secrets to making money with AI. Catch you next time.